Greetings everyone, it's Reed here with a quick Keyhole garden update. Now I'll show you around here. Now there's some tomato plants here, they're not doing that great. They're store-bought, that's what happens sometimes. Now you can see some of the other stuff. We got cantaloupe in here. Corn is obviously taking off and going crazy. My bean plants are going wild. Our pepper plants over here, looking really nice, I'm happy about. Here's some tomato plants that are doing okay. These are also store-bought ones. I'm trying to get some stuff accumulated to the area. And actually these ones are doing pretty good. Now they're not compared to anything like I've grown from my own seeds. Those have gone insanely big. We're coming back here. Now these pepper plants haven't done as great, so we'll see what the third or fourth generation looks like. So I put some more of my own bean seeds down in here, and they will get going crazy pretty quick once they're up. See, like here, this is a black bean plant, and yeah, it's huge. And then over here are some of the just regular seeds that aren't ready for the area. They're not nearly as big. You can see my drip watering in action, which I'm really liking. Here's some of the back side of it. Things working on getting going. Corn is really looking good here. So we should have a nice pile of corn to eat. So that's what the little Keyhole garden looks like, what it's doing. We'll give you some more updates on it later. It's going to look even crazier soon. Take care everyone. This is Reed with a micro update. Out for now.